Hello and welcome to this week's Top Property Tips. I'm Kat and today I'm sharing Phil Spencer's suggestions on the types of insurance you need when buying a property. Well, there's a lot to remember when buying a home for the first time. Insurance is right up at the top of the list. If you've only rented before, this may be unfamiliar territory. Your house is probably the biggest purchase you've made. Insurance is there to protect this asset and get you back on your feet if something goes wrong. Getting the right policy is key, and we can connect you with professional advisors to help ensure you do just that. Check below for our links. The two main insurances are buildings and contents, and they're there to do two different jobs. In short, buildings insurance covers the cost of repairing structural damage to a property. This can include subsidence, where the foundations become unstable, weather damage, and fallen trees. It often covers like bathrooms and kitchens too. It's there to repair your home and make it habitable again. If you've always rented, you may be unfamiliar with this. Normally, landlords are responsible for buildings insurance in a rental property. If it's a leasehold property you're buying, the freeholder probably pays for buildings insurance, but your solicitor will advise you. Often, your lender will stipulate that you need buildings insurance for a mortgage. You may not receive the loan without it. And as you legally own the property on exchange of contracts, you'll need buildings insurance before you move in. You can cancel it though if the sale falls through. There are some circumstances when buildings insurance won't cover you, for example, leaking gutters or pest infestation. Other exclusions can include general wear and tear or deliberate damage, so make sure you know exactly what will and won't be covered. When it comes to the cost of buildings insurance, there's no universal rule. Cost depends entirely on the property, the area it's in, and your individual circumstances. Contents insurance covers possessions in your home, for example, TV, jewellery, electronics, and guards against loss through burglary, fire, or flood. Again, always read the small print. You may have to pay extra for accidental damage cover to mobile phones, for example, or personal possessions cover, items over a specified value. Contents insurance can even cover items taken outside of your property. This is not always the case, so do make sure you understand what you're paying for. There's plenty of choice out there, but that sometimes can make things more confusing. Some insurers will try to persuade you to take out extra cover, but the choice is down to you. Surveyors, solicitors, and mortgage companies won't work for free if your sale falls through. With 1 in 3 property purchases falling through, you could be out of pocket by hundreds, if not thousands of pounds. Home buyers protection insurance covering expensive abortive costs is worth considering. Despite what many think, you don't need life insurance to get a mortgage. But what happens if you're sick or unemployed and can't cover your mortgage payments? Well, that's what mortgage payment protection insurance is for, also known as mortgage life insurance. It can cover your family if you die before the mortgage is paid. Buying a house is exciting, but there's a lot to remember, especially if you're a first-time buyer. And having the right insurance is a priority if you don't want to run into big problems. Our professional partners are happy to give you independent advice, and do check the links below. We hope you found this useful. Please do like and subscribe for further updates. As always, thanks for watching.